Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Weber Crafted dual-sided sear grate on your Weber grill. So let's talk through a few of my favorite features and benefits, and then let's head out to the grill. Now, once you've determined that your grill is compatible with the Weber Crafted frame kit, the best part is add the frame kit, add those grill grates, and now you have the ability to use all of the Weber Crafted accessories on your grill. That's super helpful. Well, I'll tell you what, these features and benefits right here are my 5 favorite things about this sear grate. Now, in every Weber Crafted frame kit box, you are going to get the Weber Crafted frame, which goes right into your grill like that. And it also comes with an adapter plate that takes up the front little part. Now, the best thing is, once that frame kit has been added, you now have the perfect amount of room to add those Weber Crafted accessories. All right, we'll go ahead and load that sear grate into the Weber Crafted frame kit. Now, the nice thing about the sear grate, it is dual-sided. So I have finer points on the other side for that fish and seafood cooking. And then I also have a little bit wider on this side when I'm cooking my meat or my protein. So we'll go ahead and fire up all 3 of these burners, including the sear zone, but don't sweat it if you don't have a sear zone. Turn both of these burners on high. We'll give this about 10 or 15 minutes to get up to operating temperature, and then got a little surprise for you. Okay, so we went ahead and added that beautiful Cowboy on there. I'm gonna go ahead and push down on it just to set it into those beautiful sear grates. Now, the beauty of it is, look at that, we already kind of have those diamond marks. So the best part is, I don't have to rotate this to get those beautiful steakhouse quality marks. I'm gonna get that naturally just by cooking on the sear grates. So we'll leave it alone. We'll come back and show you a little progression, but I'll tell you what, I think you're gonna be very happy with the final outcome of the quality product coming off that sear grate. Cooking on the sear grate was an absolute blast. And if you're looking for more amazing Weber Crafted tools, check out the Weber Crafted griddle. That video is coming up next.